everyone, I'm Kelly from HELI Forklift. Today I'm so excited to show you our new H Series electric warehouse equipment. These products will help your material handling work more efficient and smarter. Let's go! This product next to me is the H Series 2-ton electric pallet truck. It's powerful and comes with a large capacity lithium battery, suitable for various working conditions. Let me tell you more about it. This model offers two load capacity options, 1.6 ton and 2 ton, both meeting international standard and CE requirements. The streamlined front design of this product allows for easier access, can easily move in and out of pallets, making operations more flexible. The innovative integrated fork, also, it can be lowered to 75 mm as the option, adapting to pallets of different heights, enhancing the adaptability and efficiency of the work. Balance wheel are standard configuration on this model, enhance the stability. The vehicle is equipped with an AC drive motor, which is maintenance-free and powerful. The gradeability can reach 20%, easily handling various slopes. The standard upright working function makes the vehicle more flexible in confined spaces. Battery capacity is one of the highlights, which enhances their endurance, reducing downtime due to charging. Also, it has a unique charging port design with separate charge and discharge interfaces. The side-mounted charging port for convenient and quick charging. Standard colorful matter showing volts, battery level, working hours, and spring model. The H Series 1.6 ton and 2 ton electric pallet truck has undergone rigorous tests, including rain and strengthening tests, ensuring its safety and reliability. This product with high-capacity lithium battery lasted a long time, charging quickly. They're meeting the material handling needs of industries such as food, tobacco, supermarkets, logistics, warehouses, and factories where space is limited. Additionally, the vehicle can be equipped with a lot of customized options, such as the intelligent handle, the built-in charger, and the low backrest. Also, the model powered by lead-acid battery is available. If you want to know more information, please check out our website, heliforklift.net, or email us at heli@heliforklift.net. See you next time!